Welcome to Module 6.4, Accessibility and Multimedia. Focuses on the importance of making multimedia content, such as videos and audio, accessible to all users, including those with disabilities. Accessibility is a crucial aspect of web development, and it ensures that everyone can interact with web content, regardless of their abilities or the tools they use. Here are the key points covered in this module. 1. Accessibility principles. To create accessible multimedia content, it's essential to understand the principles of accessibility. This includes adhering to the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines WCAG set by the Worldwide Web Consortium W3C. WCAG provides a framework for web accessibility and is organized into 4 main principles: perceivable, operable, understandable, and robust, known as the POUR principles. 2. Text alternatives. Providing text alternatives for multimedia content is a fundamental accessibility practice. For images within videos or as video thumbnails, adding descriptive text using the alt attribute is crucial. For audio content, transcripts should be available, ensuring that users with visual or hearing impairments can access the content. 3. Captions and subtitles. Videos should include closed captions or subtitles to make the audio content accessible to users who are deaf or hard of hearing. Closed captions display the spoken content, sound effects, and relevant auditory information as text on the screen. 4. Audio descriptions. For video content, particularly when there are significant visual elements, audio descriptions provide additional spoken narration of visual details, allowing users with visual impairments to understand the video's context. 5. Keyboard accessibility. Multimedia players and controls must be operable using a keyboard. This ensures that users who rely on keyboard navigation or assistive technologies can interact with the video and audio content. 6. Focus management. Proper focus management is critical. It ensures that users can navigate multimedia controls and interactive elements with screen readers or keyboard commands. Elements like play, pause, volume, and seeking should be keyboard accessible and navigable. 7. Player accessibility. The multimedia player itself, such as the HTML5 video and audio greater than elements, should be accessible. This includes ensuring that all controls are labeled, programmatically associated with media elements, and can be operated using assistive technologies. 8. Testing and validation. Web developers should conduct accessibility testing to ensure that their multimedia content complies with accessibility guidelines. Various tools and browser extensions are available to evaluate web content for accessibility issues. 9. Third-party content. When embedding multimedia content from external sources, e.g., YouTube videos, developers should confirm that these platforms offer accessible options. They should also provide additional accessibility features as needed. 10. Compliance. Adhering to accessibility standards not only enhances inclusivity but may also be required by law. In some regions, for example, in the United States, Section 508 of the Rehabilitation Act mandates federal agencies to ensure that their electronic and information technology is accessible to people with disabilities. 11. User education. Users should be made aware of the accessibility features available in multimedia players and how to use them. This empowers users to customize their experience based on their needs. In summary, Module 6.4 emphasizes the critical role of accessibility in making multimedia content inclusive for all users. It provides web developers with the knowledge and tools to ensure that videos and audio on their websites are usable by everyone, regardless of their abilities or disabilities.